Alright, I got the wiring done. I didn't post a video last week. I was just trying to get it done. I was in the groove and didn't want to stop to film anything. But I got all of it done. Right down there is where the modem connection and all the networking. I've been a good job of getting it away from the line voltage, and anywhere you cross your network cables close to a line voltage, run it at a right angle as opposed to parallel. I did have to move a couple wires for a circuit to make room, especially in that corner over there where I have a lot. I don't know if you can see that right by the window. That's where all my cable, RG and network cables went through. And then I ran one of the RGs over there for my son's room. I did move some of the outlet boxes. I didn't like the idea they were going to be at different heights from the ceiling, so I went ahead and put those on each side. And then, as opposed to being down by the window, I went ahead and put them up here. More geometric. I'm kind of anal retentive when it comes to stuff like that. I got all those nail plates done on top to keep the knee wall straight. And I got the exhaust fan. I'm going to work on that. I've got some vent material and I'll vent it right out underneath it. Alright, for my audio system, I ran one box over there. It's going to have my speaker wires. And this one here, this other one on the right, is going to be for network. And the other side, the center one, will be right now just my subwoofer lead. I've got nothing else coming from that side. The gray wires for the speakers are for my in-wall surround sound, so I didn't need to run those through the box. And then I put a piece of gray PVC. I just drill a hole in the bottom of those boxes. They have some for low voltage, but I had a few left over, so I just went ahead and drilled a hole in it and brought the conduit up here and across. And I've got the subwoofer lead ordered from Amazon. I should get it next week, and then I'll just fish it through that PVC. And that'll also, it's big enough for if I have to add anything later on, then I can fish it through. And like the white wire up here is for the smoke detector and all that. I finally decided to put the combustible gas down here, away from the heater and away from the door, so I wouldn't get any false alarms. And then I did end up using all the space in my breaker box. I don't know if you can see that. I did use all 8 spaces. And then the black wire is the feed wire that goes to a box in the back. I just ran that. Kind of a rat's nest there, but I don't have anything other than a piece of wood I have to put up there for the blocking for the ceiling, so that'll be well protected. And then I ran everything down through the bottom also. This is for a in-wall heater. I got that order from Home Depot and I haven't received it yet. In the equipment shelter, I put the this is my breaker box for my feed to the landline, and then I put a communication box up top. We had an old alarm system at work, and I was able to get that box so it would be perfect. And I ran a Cat 5 in case I go with DSL or I have to go with a landline. I've got it in here. And then the black wire is a quad shield for the modem, and all the white ones for the TV. And then that'll go nicely up in there. And then with the splitter, I'll bring the ground down to this, and then it'll go down to the bottom to a ground rod. We think we've got a place we're going to park it now for sure. So next is blocking and insulation.